quickly talk about using the approach of stick method to teach subtraction of whole numbers. Now let's start. Arrange this to here. 4, 3. Arrange this here. Now let's draw the stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since there is nothing here, we'll put 0 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now what you have on the right side is you put half. On the left here, we put give. Now let's give 1. Then we have 2 left. Let's give 1 again. You have 1 left. So this is what you have left. Put here. There is nothing to give on this side, so we still have 4. Put 4 here. Now number 2. 5, 4, 2, 2. You arrange your stick. Put your 5 here. Put your 4 here. Don't forget, what we have on the right here is half. And on the left here is give. What you want to give. So put 5 here. Put 4 here. Then we'll put 2 here. We'll put 2 here. Now let's put our stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Give 1, you have 4 left. Give another 1, you have 3 left. 1, 2, 3. Put it
The first place.
here. Put it here. Then you have 4 here. You want to give 2 out. Give 1, you have 3 left. Give the second 1, you have 2 left. 1, 2. Put 2. Most importantly, it's better to start at the bottom here before going to the other side. Now let's go to number 3. Number 3, you have, let's say, 3, 3, 1, 1. You have what you have, put it here. What you want to give.